Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. In this video I'm going to show you how to unlock and enable the on-screen refresh rate monitor. So the refresh rate monitor is hidden deep within the settings on this device. So I'm going to show you how to unlock it, and then I'm going to show you how to enable it. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just pull down the notifications and go into the settings, and then scroll all the way down to about phone, and then select software information and look for the build number. So here it is, build number, and just keep tapping it till it says developer mode has been enabled, and then go back, let me just focus, and then look for developer options. It's underneath software update, so just look for the developer options, go in there, make sure this is on at the top, and then just keep scrolling down, keep scrolling until you see show refresh rate. Show the refresh rate for the current display. So turn it on, and then up here at the top you will see your screen's refresh rate. So I'm just gonna try it out. So let me just go into system settings, display, motion smoothness. So at the moment my display is set to 120 Hertz. So you can see 120 Hertz up there in the top left hand corner. I'm going to just switch it over to standard, and it should now downscale to 60 Hertz, as you can see. So no matter what I'm doing, it's going to remain at 60 Hertz. And if I go back to 120 Hertz and apply, it will switch back to 120 Hertz. So yeah, this is how you enable the on-screen monitor, refresh rate monitor, on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and also the Samsung Galaxy S21 and 21 Plus. So yeah guys, the reason it dips back to 60 is anytime the phone's idle and you're not doing anything, it's gonna dip right back to 60. But once you're actively using it, it will always remain at 120 Hertz, guys. So anyway, that's my quick video showing you how to unlock the on-screen refresh rate monitor on the Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. If it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.